Amidst the biggest trial in Hollywood currently happening at Fairfax, Virginia, another name and face has taken the spotlight away for a while from ex-lovers Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. This is Johnny Depp's lawyer, Camille Vasquez, who is not just a pretty face, but also gifted with talent, brains, and most importantly, the capability to grill Amber Heard to ashes. Vasquez serves as one of Johnny Depp's attorneys in his defamation fight with ex-wife Amber Heard. During Heard's cross-examination, Vasquez pressed Heard on several points that made us question Heard's credibility, including her claim that substances turned Depp into a monster who would become aggressive with her. But how exactly did Camille Vasquez take the center stage? Today's video will answer that and more, but before any of that, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and you smash that notification bell for more updates on this. Now, let's dig in. Front and center of all the action, Depp's attorney Camille Vasquez, who's quickly become an overnight TikTok sensation thanks to her tough cross-examinations of Heard and more recent rumors that she and the Hollywood actor might be dating. The spotlight in a Virginia courtroom has turned to attorney Camille Vasquez this week. Vasquez has garnered the attention of those following the trial. Now in its fifth week, for her tough questions, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's $50 million defamation trial has fast become appointment viewing after weeks of being broadcast across the world on court TV. The internet has been captivated with the supporting characters, just like any other popular movie series: the devoted sister, the worried friend, and the vaping doorman who taped his testimony from his car. Heard finished her testimony on Monday afternoon and has since undergone a tough forensic cross-examination by the Spanish-speaking lawyer, who has quickly gained global attention for her fierce, straight-talking approach. Nearly instantly, Vasquez landed an opening blow in her objective to recast the narrative of who was the perpetrator. She played a recording of Heard appearing to taunt Depp about whether the courts or the public would view him, a man, as a victim. "Please tell people it was a fair fight and see what the jury and judge will think," Heard said on the tape. "Tell the world, Johnny. Tell them Johnny Depp. I, Johnny Depp, a man, am too a victim of domestic maltreatment." After pressing her about the tape, Vasquez pounced. "You're here in this courtroom because Mr. Depp finally told the world that he is the victim of domestic maltreatment. You're the one who attacked someone with a bottle in Australia, isn't that right, Miss Heard?" She asked the actress on her second day of cross-examination on Tuesday. "You weren't scared of him at all, were you?" This particular line of questioning involved a power-suited Vasquez citing an article reporting Heard's 2009 arrest at the Seattle-Tacoma International Airport after accusations she hit her ex-girlfriend. "You committed harm against Miss Van Reed during your relationship, didn't you?" Vasquez asked. "And it was covered in the press, isn't that true?" She was also the lawyer who probed Heard on several delicate topics, including whether she had manipulated images of herself and injuries, and how she won her Aquaman job. "Mr. Depp got you that role in Aquaman, didn't he?" said Vasquez. "No, Miss Vasquez, I got myself that role by auditioning." Heard was seen snapping back at her this week in a clear sign the attorney had gotten under her skin. Vasquez has already attracted a devoted following, including a famous attorney who told the New York Post that she was the trial's unrivaled star. In the latest twist in the blockbuster trial, her on-screen chemistry with Depp has sparked a wave of rumors that the two are dating, which sources quickly debunked this week. As for all the smiling and giggling some have noticed between Johnny and Camille, we're told she finds him funny and couldn't help but laugh at some of his antics and or his sense of humor. A source close to Vasquez reportedly told the outlet this morning, "More importantly, our sources tell us Camille is happily taken. She's dating a British fella who works in real estate, with whom she's been in a serious relationship for several months." The source added that the entire legal team has become pally with Depp, their relationships morphing from simply professional to professional and genuinely friendly. Vasquez also asked some very difficult questions to the Rum Diary actress, while also accusing her of making up claims of mistreatment, editing a May 2016 photo of herself with a red mark on her face, being jealous of Depp, and verbally hurting her ex-husband on several occasions. The cross-questioning reportedly included a lot of tense moments between Vasquez and Heard, who re-insisted that her op-ed was not about Depp. She told the court, "It's about me. It's about what happened to me after Johnny. It's about what happened to me after I escaped my marriage. It's about me and my life and what I endured once I moved on with my life. It was about what happened to me after. The only one who made it about him, ironically, was Johnny." But that didn't appear to bother the attorney, who slammed her by saying, "An ongoing negative publicity campaign. You have no evidence of that," after the actress claimed there's been an ongoing smear campaign, an orchestrated smear campaign. However, amidst all the courtroom drama, Vasquez has gained her own stardom and a cult following among Johnny Depp supporters. A fan tweeted, "Queen Camille the Great." Another fan said, "In a world full of Amber Heards, be a Camille Vasquez. She's an amazing attorney, that's for sure. She is on her game. Way to go, Camille." In another tweet praising her, attorney Kathleen Zellner noted, "Camille Vasquez is the unrivaled star of the Depp trial. Her measured tone, incisive questions, total command of the facts, and clear belief in her client are laudable. #truth wins." In the age of the Kardashians and social media influencers, do your best to make your daughters become the next Camille Vasquez, said another tweet. One said that while she is still a Johnny Depp fan, she is also now a die-hard Camille Vasquez fan, while another praised a moment where Vasquez quipped, "Let's see if we can refresh your recollection." After Heard said, "I don't recall," calling it an action hero line. But who exactly is Camille Vasquez? Vasquez was born in July 1984 to Colombian parents Leonel and Marila Vasquez, who dwell in a $1 million mansion in Buena Park, Orange County, California. According to sources, Vasquez is also thought to reside in Orange County, where she works for the multinational law firm Brown Rudnick's California branch. She is a litigation and arbitration specialist who is undoubtedly one of the hottest in her business. The 37-year-old is fluent in Spanish and graduated from the University of Southern California in 2006 before attending Southwestern Law School in Los Angeles and graduating in 2010. According to her bio on their website, she is an Orange County, California-based associate, working in their litigation and arbitration practice group. Her current practice focuses on plaintiff-side defamation suits, with additional experience litigating contract disputes, business-related torts, and employment-related claims. The bio reads, "Camille is adept at formulating offensive and defensive litigation strategies for private clients." Vasquez started her legal career at Manat, Phelps and Phillips in 2017 and transferred to Brown Rudnick in 2018, which is one of the world's largest law firms by gross revenue. For the action against Heard, Depp recruited Brown Rudnick, who had previously defended him. Until now, Vasquez's practice has primarily focused on situations in which her clients have accused their employees of breach of contract or discrimination, despite the fact that none of her previous cases have garnered the attention of Depp versus Heard. There have been memorable moments, such as Vasquez represented Kevin Simmons, a man detained at California State Prison in Los Angeles County, who claimed a prison guard hurt him in the leg 3 times as he was being attacked by an inmate in 2016. She represented Timothy Ashcroft, a man who sued his employer, HEC, for breach of contract after he was sacked barely 4 months after transferring to Taiwan, despite being promised a long-term career. She was part of a team that successfully defended numerous clients accused of racial and gender discrimination by their neighbor in California in 2015. Well, I guess Camille Vasquez's name will be circling in social media in the next few weeks. And as for Amber Heard, we may assume that her name will be written in everyone's mind for far too long. That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell for more episodes.